Hi, I'm Woody Huffines. I own the NerdsToGo in McKinney and Frisco, Texas, and this is Tech for the Untechnical. So now artificial intelligence is going to improve Internet of Things security. Really? This week, a number of articles came out in the tech press that talked about artificial intelligence, Internet of Things security, and how those two things are going to meet up and nirvana and good things are going to happen. Forgive my skepticism, or not. I'm getting old, and I've been watching the tech press have these things that are the thing that's the next thing that's going to be big, whether it was client server computing or distributed networks, or we're still talking about quantum computing and we're not even close. And the phrase of the day seems to be artificial intelligence. And well, first of all, most of what they call artificial intelligence really isn't artificial intelligence. It might be machine learning, it might be a neural network. It's stuff that's been around for a long time. It's not really artificial intelligence. Maybe that's just me being grumpy. But the idea of the Internet of Things security that's going to be improved by artificial intelligence is that you can have the ISP or somebody in the process of the network, probably the ISP, looking at what IoT things are doing. And if an IoT thing starts doing something different than it's been doing, then it's probably bad and it'll shut it down. And that way, all the bad things that have been happening with Internet of Things security will go away, right? So well, that means that your Internet of Things devices aren't going to be doing bad things to other people. They're not going to be part of a botnet, not going to be doing distributed denial of service attacks like the Mirai botnet did a couple of years ago through Internet of Things devices and routers. And that's a good thing for us generally, because generally on the internet, that would be a way to keep rogue Internet of Things devices that are doing bad things to keep from doing them. However, that does not do what it needs to do to protect your network. It doesn't do what it needs to do to protect your information. Because while it might keep the Internet of Things device that got hacked as part of a botnet from joining into botnet activities, distributed denial of service attacks, crypto mining, whatever the botnet tool of the week is going to be, it doesn't prevent somebody from individually hacking your network and working on your network to do bad things. So while this might be a good thing in the general sense that it can prevent botnets and distributed denial of service attacks for everybody on the internet, it doesn't do anything to protect you on the internet. And while we're on this artificial intelligence thing, one of the things that happens in the tech press is that there's a thing that becomes the big thing, and artificial intelligence is the thing now. And it's kind of like, I don't know, if you write an article on climate research, you got to put global warming in there because nobody's going to read it if it doesn't say global warming. This artificial intelligence thing, if it was big in the cooking press or Southern Living would have an article on artificial intelligence improvements for cooking corn grits. So, just as a side note, when you're reading the tech press, look at the pattern of activity, because sometimes they get all spun up about things because they're trying to get people to click on their headlines that aren't really that exciting, which really is kind of how I got into this whole artificial intelligence thing. I thought, oh, here we go again, artificial intelligence and IoT security. It's probably not going to do the things that it needs to do for your security, although it may do the things that it can do to improve the security of the internet in general. I'm Woody Huffines. I own the NerdsToGo, McKinney and Frisco, Texas. This has been Tech for the Untechnical. If you enjoy this content, hit the subscribe button below, mash the notification bell, give me the thumbs up, or make comments below so we can continue to enjoy doing these for you, because it's really to pass information on to you.